Hello and good Tuesday, part of the second week of 2010. I'm Molly and this is Bedford Day. James here in Bedford, born in 1893, became the first human being to ever be cryogenically frozen when he died today in 1967. With the hopes of being resurrected in the future when science becomes more advanced, Bedford was injected with dimethyl sulfoxide, though by today's standards, not such a great idea if you want to preserve your brain. If you really want to live forever, the thing to use these days is antifreeze to prevent ice formation in the body. In top stories today, there is a mysteriously large group of sea lions, about 2,000 of them, which showed up last week near the town of Florence, Oregon. The sea lions suddenly appeared at a private reserve just off the Oregon coast, which was already famous as a hotspot for fish that like cold water, and thus a hotspot for sea lions in general. So where did they come from? I decided I would do what I can to help and created a wiki page called WTF Did These Sea Lions Come From? In this case, the W stands for where. If anyone has any clues at all about where these sea lions could have come from, please add your insights to the wiki, because I have no idea. The largest solar-powered building in the world is open. In China's Dezhou in the Shandong province, this solar-powered convention center, mixed-use space for conferences and events, offices and even a hotel is a massive 75,000 square meters. Germany is also totally convinced that going solar is for the better. Having recently provided big incentives to homeowners for installing solar panels, the country now has more solar-powered homes than any other, and accounts for at least 1/3 of the entire world's total solar output. They even experienced shortages on panels recently. No doubt one big contributor to the shortage is one of the world's largest solar plants built in Straskirchen in 2006, hogging up over 60,000 modules alone. If you like, while the sun fuels your home, sugar water can run your phone. Daisy Zhang designed this eco-phone for Nokia that runs on Coca-Cola, peach schnapps, some purple stuff, or basically whatever is cheapest. Awesome battery, until you get stranded out in the middle of the desert with no food or water and must decide to either call for help or die of thirst. If I had to choose between the two, I'd choose calling for help over dying of thirst. Extra bonus! Cell phone radiation may actually improve your memory, even if it may also deteriorate your brain. According to, wait for it, a new study. And finally for today, plans to celebrate the 20th anniversary of the famous Pier 39 sea lions of San Francisco are off. As I reported last week, about 2,000 sea lions all but disappeared from the Bay Area recently, and no one has been able to piece together where they went. Many people are suggesting they swam north in search of colder water and more fish. I put up this site called WTF Are the Sea Lions in hopes of collecting any information at all, but so far, still no sign. Keep your eyes open. I'll keep open mine.